Welcome back, friends. So viewers, as you know that we have begun to make div tag layout, and we have reached here in previous video, which was the first video. I have written this code and made the basic structure of this site, and it is being shown in this way before you on the screen. And this page is open also in my Chrome browser on the name of index.html. So friend, this is the second video. So in previous video, as I have made this div, all these 6 div inside, and the first div which name was given container. So friends, first I will give here in, and I have also tagged this style.css with this HTML link relation style sheet of style.css. So friends, first of all, I here call the body brackets, and I will give margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, background, and I will bring an image in background. And you know that I have already pasted images inside this folder. So we will give the body to this image, and its name is 1 and extension is JPG. So I will write here first of all images / then 1.jpg. Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. So friend, you see that pattern image has been made now the background of our index.html page. So friend, you see, and I have not changed anything in this our index.html page code. Only I wrote a body code here, and that image has been shown here because I have linked this page by using external method of CSS with this HTML page. So friend, in second phase I will call here container because I have already made a class this container on the name of container. And first of all I give it margin 0 auto to bring the container in the middle of that page, margin 0 auto, and then I will define the width 1000 pixel, and height I will give height auto. Control S to save. Now I come back and refresh this page. Now you see that this text is been reached here and before it was placing here on the left side. So friend, now once again I come back and I make one more class, head section, and I also Control C to copy after highlighting it, and this is the head section. And here I will write the class is equal to double quotes, and inside it I will Control V to paste the name of that class here. And now I will give properties and values inside this head section class. First of all I will give width 1000 pixel. Now I will give the height, approximately I will give height 130 pixel, and now I will give some background to it. Once again I will use the IM image. Here I will write the images / and now I come back here to see this image I will place on the head. So 5, it is also JPG and his name is 5. So I will write here 5.jpg. Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. Now you see that this is the header of our website. So once again friend, I come back here and I make one more class. This is navigation bar. Its name will be navigation bar dot nav underscore bar. So in the same way I will copy it, Control C to copy, and I will give it to class and paste it here, nav bar. And now once again I will define the width 1000 pixel, define the height will be 60 pixel, background I will give it black color, and text color I will give white. Control S to save, and now I will come back on browser and refresh this page. Now you see that this has been made a navigation bar where I will place the menu bar of my website. So friend, now the content area, left side content area, right side area and footer is still remaining. So obviously I will make one more class, and this is the left sidebar. So I will give it name left underscore side, make two curly brackets, and same way I will highlight it, Control C to copy, and I will come here and give it the name of class and place it. So friend, now I will write the code inside these two curly brackets. So I will write here width 200 pixel. I will write here also height 600 pixel just for now, but when we will make this website, then we will do this height auto, and I will use the property float left with 200 pixel, height 600 pixel, and float left. And I will also use here background URL, and inside it I will write in the same way images backslash, and here I will see the image. This image I will give it to, it is 2.png. So I will write here 2.png. Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. So you see friend, this footer is been placed on the left side of this website. So friend, once again I come here, press enter and make one more class. It will be content underscore area. In the same way I will highlight this text, Control C to copy, and I come here and I make right here class is equal to double quotes, and in these double quotes I will place tag name. So friend, once again I go to my CSS page and I write the CSS code here. So first I will define the width. Its width will be 600 pixel. I will also define the height. Height also will be 600 pixel, and I will also write here float left, and I will give background. Once again I will use an image URL, and I will write here images because all the images are inside the images folder. So friend, this image I will use for the content area 3.jpg. 3 it is name and jpg is extension. So I will write here 3.jpg. Control S to save. Now I come here and refresh this page. So friend, you see that this is our content area has been made. Now only the right sidebar is remaining and the footer of this website is still remaining. So I come down here and make one more class. In spite of left side, I now write right side and make 2 brackets. So once again I come and highlight it and Control C to copy it. I come here, make space and write class is equal to, and here I place the name of that class, right sidebar. So friend, inside these 2 curly brackets I will write the CSS code. So I define the width 200 pixel. I also write height 600 pixel, and once again I use the float. This time I write the right float property and value I give the right in spite of left, and background. Once again I use the image and the same image which I gave the left sidebar. 2 dot left sidebar image is background. This navigation, yes, 2 dot png. So I will write here images backslash 2 dot png, the same image which I gave on the left sidebar. Control. Now you see that our right sidebar is been also created. So friend, now only the footer area is still remaining. So very easy to make the footer by doing work on the same procedure. So I will make one more class and give it to name foot area, and I will copy it by highlighting it, Control C, and I come here and make one more class, double quotes, and inside this class I will paste all this code. Now I once again come back on CSS, and friend, I will write code in CSS. First of all I will write here clear both to clear the above code, and now I will define the width 1000 pixel and height I also 100 pixel. So it was the header. First I go to top and in head section, yes, and it was the header, and I gave with 1000 pixel and height 130 pixel. And if you want to use the same image, you can write here, and if you don't want to use the same image, so I use the same image, it will look more good. 5.jpg. Background URL, inside it I will write images 5.jpg. Control S to save, and I think yes, I have already tagged here This is the CSS code of footer. Now I come here and refresh it. Now friend, you see that this is the footer of our website is also being made. This is the header and this is the footer, and this is content area, this is left sidebar, and this is right sidebar, and this is the navigation area. So friend, I have made the basic structure of our website. So friend, if you want to give the background a different color, you can also use by in spite of giving this image, you can use simply background black, and you can use color white. I come here and refresh it. Now you see that it is the footer area has been made in black color. This is the header. So friend, in next video I come here and first I will stylize the header by placing a banner here, and I will tell you that how can you also stylize banner and write contents in this area, and also stylize footer, left sidebar area,